Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. All right, today we're gonna keep it French. All right, so today I'm gonna be making some Pear Clafouti. I hope I say it right. Pear Clafouti. I've never made this before, so it could turn out great or it could be a disaster. I told you I'll be trying things in Fergie's Kitchen, right? So I went to a French restaurant and I had it and I wanted to try it. So this is what we're working with today. I'm working with 3 barlette pears, some heavy cream, which is half and half, 3 heads, vanilla extract. I'm gonna be using lemon zest with some flour, butter, salt, sugar, and you should be using some brandy. And I have this wine, because you know brandy is a form of wine. So this is what I'll be using today. And I hope you guys like when I'm done. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get the ball rolling in Fergie's Kitchen. Okay guys, so I just set my oven to 375. So now I'm gonna get my 3 eggs and a quarter cup of sugar. And this I'm gonna beat. So I'm gonna beat this on medium for about 3 minutes. So guys, now I'm gonna core my pear and then peel them. So guys, now I'm gonna add my ingredients to my egg and sugar. I'm gonna have 1.5 cup of heavy cream, 6 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna add my pears. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And a tablespoon of my brandy wine. So now guys, if you wanna come over here, I'm gonna put this. So now I'm gonna mix it on low speed until it's well mixed. Maybe for a minute or 2. And then set aside for 10 minutes. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell everyone what goes on in Fergie's Kitchen. Just gonna grease my pan. And then sprinkle with a tablespoon of sugar. This called for granulated sugar. This is the closest I have to granulated. So make sure the sugar is on the side. One more spoon of my wine and another teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna have this bake for 40 minutes, and I'll see you guys when we're finished. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's. So my FK gang, here is my Pear Clafouti. I hope I pronounce it well. And it wasn't a disaster after all. I think we did well in Fergie's kitchen today. Remember, you can't go to France, some of you guys, so I brought France to you. And no disrespect for my French people. This is a Italian wine and not French. It's all I got. So no disrespect. Alrighty, so I hope you guys enjoy. And as you know, I'm going to do my scripture of the day. It's coming from Ephesians 3:19. Guys, you are loved beyond all measure. You just can't measure the love that God has for you. That's what he's saying. You're loved beyond all measure. From Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, we are not in control, but we are deeply loved by the one who is. So guys, look in the mirror and tell yourself today that I am not in control, but I'm deeply loved by the one who is. All right? Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell everyone about the many different dishes that comes from Fergie Kitchen to yours.